Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok no internet connection. To not fix or how to solve TikTok no internet connection, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will go to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.